Rosehip oil for skin lightening. This serum contains essential oils with skin lightening properties and is quite easy to make at home. Glowing skin serum recipe. Take a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle, and with the help of a small funnel, add in 2 tablespoons each of rosehip, sesame, and argan oil. Now, in the same bottle, add 7 drops of geranium essential oil, and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Cap the bottle, and give it a good shake, to combine all the ingredients. Store it in a cool and dry place. If you store it properly, and don't let any water get inside, this serum can last up to a year. How to use it? This serum is for the nighttime treatment, so apply it before going to bed. Massage 3-4 drops onto your clean face. Overnight application is necessary, because the recipe contains lemon oil, which is photosensitive, and can't be exposed to sunlight. The benefits of the ingredients. Rosehip oil reduces wrinkles and scars, thus maintaining soft and glowing skin. Argan oil is an active ingredient in many skin brightening recipes, and it makes the skin smooth and silky. Sesame oil serves as great carrier oil in our recipe. It helps lighten the skin tone and prevents skin dryness. Geranium oil boosts collagen production, reduces skin oiliness, and makes the skin look beautiful. Lemon oil is among the best for skin brightening, and it stimulates collagen production as well. A bonus recipe. There is another simple recipe for glowing skin. Take a small bowl, and add in it 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder, 1 teaspoon of filtered water, and whisk together. Once the vitamin C gets dissolved, add in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and mix again. When you are done, transfer the mixture into a small amber bottle, and keep in the fridge. Use it in the evening. Simply apply the serum to your clean skin, before moisturizing it.